chickadees. Today we're going to talk about burdock. I know I had mentioned it in one of my last videos, but I wanted to get a little more into detail. So this is burdock. This is actually quite a small plant for burdock, but Ed just started it this year. Burdock is a hepatic, a gentle alternative, a chronic diuretic, and a bitter. It is a gender feminine plant. It is ruled by the planet Venus, and it is a water element. So yeah, it's also a biennial, so it doesn't seed the first year, it will seed the second year. And the root should be harvested after the second year. There you go, burdock.